Hello everyone. So I want to give you a quick tour of what the MetaWhales platform is and what we're trying to build here. This is basically, just let me put this disclaimer out there because it could be seen the other way. This is not a marketing video. The main purpose of this video is not to show you, not to tell you, please join the platform. It's okay if you don't want to join. I just want to introduce this idea because basically the MetaWhales platform is much bigger than what you guys are seeing at the moment. It's not just, let's say, a crypto learning platform. It's much more than that. It's basically the utilization of blockchain technology to verify digital identities and basically your skills that you have. Basically your CV, putting your CV on the blockchain, verified on the blockchain in terms of degrees, in terms of the skills you know, the knowledge you have, and in terms of the achievements you've done. For example, the financial freedom. And it's not just about crypto. And basically, as you've seen, if you've seen the previous video, it's not about this crypto. It's like you saw that level 1, we have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and each levels basically depends on your net worth. For example, 0 to 1 million, 1 million to 10 million, 10 million to 100 million, 100 million to 1 billion. And you go through those stages, and each stage that you go through is basically based on certain vehicles, either an investment vehicle, a business, or you can do it through real estate. You can do it through whatever your choice of vehicle you want in order to reach that success or that end goal that you want. So basically MetaWhales would like guide you to that, and it's going to be exclusive. This is very important. It's going to be exclusive in terms of that a limited amount of people can access this platform and have access to the network and certain events and certain funds. Just keep this word. This is very important because this is something I didn't announce yet, but certain funds where you own certain, let's say, if you know the word NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which gives you certain utilities to and advantages and benefits, in other words, to certain things in life. For example, events. This MetaWhales platform, this learning academy of MetaWhales platform, as well as funds where you can earn NFTs, which is ownership rights for you, in order to earn, let's say, passive income out of certain assets. For example, if MetaWhales has real estate, MetaWhales has gold, MetaWhales has NFTs, MetaWhales has crypto investments, you can earn a share of all of that through owning that NFT, which is down the line. So main idea here, what I'm trying to show you is that it's not just an educational platform. It's starting that way because that's how big stuff start, ambitious projects start. Basically, we start with the lowest hanging fruit, let's say. Any startup, any business, any startup starts with the lowest hanging fruit. Then we start developing there through feedback from you guys, and so on, so on, so on. So initially, it's this as you see it. And this is what I'm trying to explain here. As I said, not a marketing video, but more of a educational video of what we guys are doing in terms of MetaWhales. And the team is growing, by the way. I'm looking for people here and there. Yeah, let me just show you the platform right now, what it is and where we stand. And basically, you know the end goal of this, and that's where the software design is coming in. If you watched the previous video about the MetaWhales update, you've seen that, okay, we have different sectors. We have the technological stack, which is the website design, and this, which is currently what you're seeing. And then we have the blockchain, the software development, design and development, which is the blockchain, the smart contracts behind all of this, the programming languages we're going to use. Basically, we're thinking of Ethereum at the moment, Solidity programming language, the smart contract designs, the blockchain design, and so on, so on, so on. And what's the tokenomics behind all of this? What's the utility of those tokens? What's basically the supply of those tokens? What's the market cap? And so on. Basically, we're just figuring out everything as we speak. But initially, this is what you see. And I understand if you just see it as an educational platform where you're just a member at and you're learning from. But in the long run, this part of the platform itself, which is the learning part, it's going to be a benefit, only a benefit. It's going to be secondary to what primary this MetaWhales, which the name will change as well. Just let's keep it for documentation purposes. It was MetaWhales, but I'm going to change the name. So the secondary objective would be this learning part where you learn to do it yourself. But it is done for you down the line. You understand what I mean? You're going to have access to a fund. You're going to have access to assets, investments, real estate, gold, silver, commodities, you name it, man. Alternative investments, vintage cars, collectibles, bags, these Hermes bags, which is like around, they're costly and they're increasing value if it's unused and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna have like a full collection of everything. Just that's the overall picture. But let me just explain the platform where we stand right now. So homepage, yeah, you go on the platform, you see, okay, this is the ultimate framework. So we call them frameworks here, designed for making money in crypto. So what's the framework you're going to use to make money to reach that success? For example, you have crypto framework, you have the real estate framework. As I've shown you guys this as well in Notion, remember the previous video? So basically the framework, you're going to have access to all these on-demand content. You have access to a private group. You have access to market updates, daily market updates, or every 2 days. You have Q&A. You can ask any question you want by people who actually made it. And you have weekly live streams, basically weekly videos, new videos every single week. So about this is basically about me and stuff like that, the team. And then we have the framework, which is... Let's go to framework. The framework is basically the crypto framework. We're going to have multiple frameworks, but for the crypto framework, it's basically what you will learn. You're going to have it here. You're going to have some, let's say, perks or advantage or an overview of this framework. Then about it, the skills you'll gain, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, trading, investing, charting analysis, journaling, altcoin analysis, Bitcoin analysis, statistics gathering, and so on. The curriculum is basically as follows. You're going to have access to such videos. We're currently building all these videos. It's a lot of videos over here, but we're currently building it in the most efficient and detailed way. And how it works is very important. It's basically you watch the videos, you have on-demand content as much as you want. We have new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Monday being the videos of the Bitcoin plan, which is super practical. Wednesdays being the theoretical video, which is basically goes to the theory that we use on the Monday videos. And we keep on doing that every single week. You have access to new videos. In this way, you're learning and you're actually prepared to trade or make money in this market as you learn. So, I mean, it's a nice, effective way to learn, basically. And this is, by the way, all of this is done off the blockchain. And as you notice, it's can be done much more efficiently on the blockchain itself. Just note this. And then you can interact in private groups. There is a private Discord group and basically make money the fastest way possible because you're prepared. You have the plan. You know what Bitcoin would do and you're learning on the side. So, I mean, it's the big deal. So then you have the plans over here and then we have dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. Very important. In the dashboard, we have basics, which are the basic videos. We have divers, which are the theoretical videos. We have whales, which are the practical videos. This journaling videos, I'm going to put them in extras. Extras is basically the live calls we have. Every month we have a live call with the team, or if the team needs, the whale teams needs another live call, we can do it to answer questions and any doubts. We have altcoin analysis. We have any video requests, such as some person doesn't understand, the same member doesn't understand how to read a certain parameters, for example, open interest. We make a video on that, put it there. Please go and watch that video. So basically tailoring the videos to your needs, your account, then following other social media accounts, and the description here of each day when the videos are uploaded, basically whales video, divers video, what it is, and it's uploaded every Monday, every Wednesday. So the basics is free for everyone. Everyone can access this video. And yeah, by the way, we're going to add a new section over here, down over here, which is the same videos for these, but in Arabic. So we're currently working on that. We're going to do it in Arabic because it's based on the request. And if you guys want it in German and Chinese, we can do it. So just let us know. And we're just listening to the feedback of the members that we have. We just listen to the feedback and we do it. Just do it. So yeah, moving to divers. The divers basically every week, as we mentioned, we have setting up for success, which are these. Then the important one, which is the technical analysis. Then we go to fundamental analysis and so on. We just finished diver 10s, 11 and 12 I can't even explain it. It's super, super, super valuable. Okay. So yeah, these are the videos where the diver, the theoretical videos. And basically, as you can see, the whales plan, every single week we have update on the whales plan. What's the plan for this week and how we're going to make money this week. And we trade based on how the plan goes. And journaling and extras. And let me just quickly show you extras. So video request, how to trade the whales plan, SR golden rules application, the daily routines and reading, for example, how to read these Russian billionaire accumulating Bitcoin case, altcoin analysis, whale live calls, market updates, and this is just a test, but we're going to do it in much more details by itself. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the platform right now. As you can see, it's very educational at the moment, but if you notice as well, these advantages will all be embedded in the smart contract of the NFT, of the non-fungible token that you're going to hold at some point, which will just think of it this way. You're buying an NFT. You have this NFT that's increasing in value since it's based on the scarcity of it, limited supply, based on supply and demand as well. So you have this NFT, it's increasing in value, and also you can utilize its benefits, which a secondary benefit is this platform, while you're actually making passive income from that NFT. So it's basically a money machine, a money printer. You own a money printer. It's increasing in value, and the better the job we do in terms of our investments, in terms of the funds you have access to, and the new law that just passed by in the UAE, which is today is March 10th, just for documentation purposes, but yesterday, this new law that passed by, which supports, like, it was made for MetaWhales. It seems like it was made for MetaWhales because, I mean, it's exactly what we want to do. Exactly. So, yeah, so as I was saying, the secondary benefit is basically this platform, which, I mean, it's just a secondary benefit and it's super valuable. Imagine the primary benefit, and you're gonna just like own a money print. So this is the whole idea I want you to understand. I'm not telling you please join the platform right now. You're gonna have an advantage if you do right now, but if you don't, this is the platform we're currently building. And it's gonna be much bigger than just what you see right now. And I don't think I made it this much clear before. That's why I need to make this video to give you that tour as I saw questions. What's this platform all about? And also tell you what's actually happening in the long run. I showed you on Notion. You go watch the previous video. You're going to see on Notion how everything is structured. But this is the platform. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any comments, feedback, suggestions, and if you want to be part of this is very important. I'm very open right now at this moment. If you want to be part of this platform as being part of the team, the core team that actually builds this platform, please hit me up in a direct message or hit me up and tell me, say, Adham, I want to talk to you about this XYZ. And this is how I could help. And we can discuss how to work on from there. But that's pretty much it. We have a big goal and we're headed to it definitely 100% nonstop. And I think you guys have seen progress. That being said, thank you very much for listening to what MetaWhales is. Again, this is not a marketing video to tell you, come please join MetaWhales. No, you can watch, you can be in the Discord, you can see as we progress with time what's exactly happening and how we're building this platform. I'm going to document everything as well on Discord. Look, the Discord would have exclusive advantage. YouTube members would have even more advantages. Whoever is in Discord, basically the public Discord, I'm going to give them certain advantage. Whoever is a member, they're going to have like bigger advantages, of course, because they're kind of members of MetaWhales. And yeah, we're going to basically build on from there. It's going to be documented. You're going to see how it started from scratch to where it's going to be 1 year, 2 years down the line. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you found this valuable and informative, and I hope to see you next time.